Welcome to Technical Laboratory YouTube channel. Today I am discussing about right outer join and I implement it in MySQL. So at first, what is right outer join? A right outer join closely resembles a left outer join except with the treatment of the table's results. Every row from the right table will appear in the joined table at least once. If no matching with the left table exists, null will appear. Hello friends, here two tables, table 1 and table 2. Table 1 consists two attribute ID and name. Table 2 consists ID and branch. In table 1, row 1 consists of entities like 1 in ID section 1 and name section ABC, and in row 2 ID section consists entity 2 and name section consists EFG. In table 2, ID section in first row, ID section consists one entity and branch section consists IT entity, and in row 2 ID section consists 3 entity and branch sections consist CSE. Now if I implement right outer join on these two tables, at first what is the condition? The condition is that what is the similarities between two tables. Here similarity between two tables is ID section table 1 is similar to ID section of table 2, and more broad sense, the row 1 of table 1 is similar to row 1 of table 2. If I implement right outer join, then the final output is like that. ID, name, table 1, ID, table 2, name. One ABC, one ID. As it is a right outer join, so in this section I write the entities of row 2 of table 2 3 CSE, and there is no similarity of row 2 of table 2 of table 1, so we write here null. The right outer join is like this type of Venn diagram. Left, what is the command? Select star from table 1, write outer join table 2. This is the first line. Second line is on table 1 dot id equals to table 2 dot id and ended by semicolon. If we implement this command on these two tables, we get the output this table.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.